Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiTwitch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix temporary chat not working in ChatGPT on PC or desktop. So, if the temporary chat option is missing, not loading or not working properly, there can be several reasons behind this problem. It could be a temporary service issue, an outdated app version, or a browser problem. A browser problem or a temporary account related issue. To fix it, first quit ChatGPT app and then reopen it. Also make sure it's updated to the latest version, and to check it, click on this ChatGPT button in the menu bar and then choose settings. Now scroll down and then click on this check for updates button, and as you can see, a newer version of ChatGPT is available in my Mac. So click on install update button and it will start installing. So wait until it's done, and once the update download, it will ready to install. So all you just need to install and relaunch. And check if the temporary chat option is appearing or not. And you are using ChatGPT in browser, clear the browser cache and reload the page. You should also sign out your ChatGPT account and sign in back. If the issue continues, try using a different browser, or you can also use different ChatGPT account to know whether the issue is related to your browser app or the issue is due to your ChatGPT account. So after applying these fixes, the temporary chat option should start working normally again. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.